have mostly cloudy skies out there tonight. That's helping our temperatures just a little bit. Those clouds acting sort of like a blanket. The last few nights we've had mostly clear skies and all the heat we've gathered during the day escapes into the atmosphere. But tonight we're in the 50s. A few of the outer lying suburbs are into the 40s tonight. 52 in Howell, 53 in Pontiac, and also in Adrian. Upper 40s in Port Huron, and Ann Arbor is the other place that is now in the upper 40s, but not as cold as it was last night. A few cities did get down into the 30s, so you woke up this morning and boy, fall certainly did arrive. It's the first official day of fall, and this will be our first fall weekend. And it will look like it. We'll have a lot of clouds in place. It's like we switched seasons just in a day, 24 hours. Cloudy skies, temperatures will be in the 60s. Let's go time hour by hour here. 8 o'clock Saturday morning. A few spotty showers. Most areas are dry. Then at 1 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies. There could be a break or two of filtered sunshine, but otherwise just a cloudy and a little cooler than normal day. 66 again, the high temperature tomorrow. Mostly cloudy at 7 o'clock. Now let's go to Sunday. Definitely, according to the models, the rainier of the 2 days with perhaps some pretty decent downpours. So Sunday at 8 a.m., we see those showers and then they continue through the afternoon, but also breaks. So it's not a total washout even on Sunday, but Saturday, if you have outdoor things you want to get done, get them done Saturday just in case, because I don't think we'll have enough dry periods on Sunday. Rosh Hashanah, if you're headed to services on Sunday evening, should be dry, but some of the northern suburbs seeing a few showers, so you might want to just be prepared for that. Now let's talk about the tropics. It seems like it's late in the hurricane season, but actually now we're just barely past the peak. Peak hurricane season is September 10th as the waters are very, very warm. And here we are at the 23rd. So still in a very active season. Hermine came off the coast of Africa. It actually came off as a wave developed into a tropical storm. But we are all watching Ian because this is the first storm that poses a major threat to the coast of Florida. It's right now churning in the Caribbean. It did get a name. It got winds at 40 miles per hour at the 11 o'clock update. As it moves into the Gulf, it is going to strengthen. The waters of the Gulf are very, very warm right now. That will happen Monday at 8 p.m. with winds at 105 miles per hour. Still way too early to talk about an exact landfall, but at this point, it could come in as a Category 2, maybe even a Category 3 by Wednesday afternoon or evening. Lots of things can change with hurricanes, but it is definitely something that all of Florida is on alert for tonight. Increasing clouds here, 50 degrees the overnight low in the cities. Suburbs will get down to the upper 40s. Daytime tomorrow, well, it looks like fall, but you'll have plenty of dry time, just a couple spotty showers with a high of 66. It stays cold. Take a look at this. We have temperature highs barely making it to 60 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday. Really unsettled to start the week, but some good news. By the end of the week, sunshine returns. We are still technically below our normal high of 71, but it'll get a little brighter by the end of the week.
Struggle to get to 60 there a couple of days. That's a big shift.
I know, was it just me or was it just 87 degrees?
It just was.
That.
Right,
I know I was at a soccer game today and everyone had like blankets and stuff
Everybody's
on.
pushing it.
It's not used to this.
Yeah.
Did you turn the heat on last night?
I did not. I was thinking of you.
Sorry,
Because it was chilly. I told you I wasn't going to do it.
Yeah, good for you.
Thanks, Kim.